1 point blue. No score, down.
Bout number 2, 57 kilograms, junior. Kick light, Narnia Arian Joseph of Tuburan and Mega Justin Kyle, please proceed to the gears area now. Also proceed to the gears area, De La Serna Elshan and Chanterna J. Anthony. Also prepare Veterano Chansey Kyle, Ahmad Jinwell. Also prepare Bandidas KG and also Jean Jacket Wayne Wright. Everybody proceed to the gears area now. Mega Justin Kyle of Danao City, please proceed to the gears area now. Again, prepare De La Serna Elshan, Santerna J. Anthony, Hortelano Chansey, Ahmad Jinwell. Please proceed to the gears area now. Again, final call for Mega Justin Kyle of Danao City.
And round number 1 with a score of 6-4, sorry, in favor of red corner.
Beijing Mega Justin Kyle of Danao City. Please proceed to the gears area now. Last and final call. Mega Justin Kyle of Danao City.
Last and final round. Point blue. No score. Sa mga nanonood po, itong pinapanood natin ay point fighting style in kickboxing. Meron po ito sa Batang Pinoy, and we also do this at the Cameroon Pambansa. 1 point red. Point blue, time. End of the round, end of the bout. Next bout na po tayo. Prepare na po. Wala po ba yung blue? Coaches, pagkatawag po ang mga athletes name at the same time, meron na po kayong bout order. Send na po sa group chat natin. Please make sure na pag first bout, second bout, nandun na po sa gears. Para hindi po tayo magtagal. We have 65 bouts. Hanggang gabi po tayo dito pag matagal tayo. Okay, anyway, let's congratulate our winner in the red corner with a score of